Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you something from this lovely book. It's actually written in German, but it's got lots and lots of different animals and ways of performing. And this animal is a Specht, which is a woodpecker. This is how we make the woodpecker. So, right hand, middle finger is going to be the woodpecker's beak. These fingers curl down and out of the way, and this finger is the woodpecker's eye. Now we're going to take the left hand and we're going to make the tail. So stick out the pointer finger and splay out these three fingers, and there is a woodpecker sitting on a branch. Can change the shape a little bit like that. A lovely woodpecker. Happy practicing.